Are you tired of feeling cramped in your small living spaces? Well, today's your lucky day because we've got 10 ingenious organization ideas tailored specifically for small spaces. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment or just trying to maximize every square inch of your home, these tips are sure to revolutionize your space. From clever storage solutions to creative hacks, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and make the most of every nook and cranny. Subscribe now and catch the entire video for a full understanding. 1. Furniture selection and placement. When it comes to managing a tiny space, furniture selection and placement are critical for increasing functionality and creating a comfortable living atmosphere. Consider the size and scale of each piece of furniture. To avoid dominating the space, choose smaller scale furniture that is proportional to the room's size. Multi-purpose furniture, such as sofa beds and storage ottomans, can be ideal for compact areas. Consider flexible furniture that can be readily moved or folded, wall-mounted tables, Murphy beds, lightweight indoor-outdoor furniture, expanding seating benches, etc. will help maintain the space as clutter-free as possible. 2. Maximize vertical space. Maximizing vertical space is an important aspect of small space organizing. When dealing with restricted square footage and seeking for storage options for small places, it's critical to think creatively rather than just out. One of the most effective ways to free up floor space is to use wall space. Wall shelves, hanging storage, hooks, pegboards, racks, backs of doors, insides of cupboards, and tall bookcases all the way up to the ceiling are all wonderful choices for maximizing vertical space. 3. Hide clutter. Although open storage and shelving are popular these days, in such a small space, disguising clutter behind closed doors or curtains can be really beneficial. Reducing visual clutter makes a space feel more open and bright. One of the most effective strategies to maximize your tiny space is to replace an entire blank wall with additional storage. A wall of storage is floor-to-ceiling storage that can be built in hallways, landings, offices, spare bedrooms, children's bedrooms, garages, basements, attics, and so on for general home storage. 4. Multi-purpose items. Next time you're on the hunt for new furniture, remember to incorporate terms like space-saving, folding, and multi-purpose. You'll be astonished by the array of innovative products and storage solutions tailored for small spaces. And don't overlook your creativity. Repurposing existing items can yield remarkable results. Take our living room, for instance. We've ingeniously turned a covered dog crate into a chic side table. So, whether you're shopping or reimagining your space, think outside the box and maximize every inch. 5. Mirrors. Another clever trick to amplify the sense of spaciousness in small areas is to strategically incorporate mirrors. By strategically placing mirrors, you can reflect light and visually expand the room, creating the illusion of a larger space. It's a simple yet effective technique that can transform even the most cramped corners into airy, open areas. So, next time you're decorating your small space, don't forget to harness the power of mirrors to maximize both light and perception. 6. High, wide, and long curtains. Mounting curtains high and wide is a game changer. By positioning them at the top of the wall where it meets the ceiling, you draw the eye upward, adding height to the room and creating the illusion of a larger window. This simple trick not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also maximizes the perceived size of your space. So, whether you're dealing with limited square footage or just aiming for a more spacious feel, don't overlook the power of high and wide curtains. 7. Brighten up the space. Bringing light into your living space is key to making it feel more open and inviting. Consider removing heavy window treatments like vertical blinds to allow natural light to flood in. You'll be amazed at how instantly this can open up your room, transforming its atmosphere. Additionally, opt for light colors on walls and ceilings to amplify the brightness. Light hues reflect more light, creating an airy and expansive feel. And don't forget about surfaces. Transparent, reflective, or glossy materials can also bounce light around the room, enhancing its luminosity. Embracing these strategies will help you maximize the natural light in your space and create a bright, welcoming environment. Wall mount your TV. It's incredible how a simple change like wall mounting your TV can completely transform a space. By getting rid of bulky TV stands or entertainment centers, you instantly free up valuable floor space, making the room feel more open and spacious. Not only does wall mounting your TV create a sleek and modern look, but it also allows for better flow and functionality in your living room. Plus, with the TV off the floor, you have more options for furniture arrangement and decor placement. It's amazing what a big impact such a small adjustment can have on the overall feel of your living space. 9. Keep horizontal surfaces clear. Maintaining clear horizontal surfaces is key to creating a sense of openness and organization in any space. Whether it's your countertops, tables, or shelves, keeping them clutter-free instantly makes the room feel more spacious and visually appealing. Try to resist the temptation to overcrowd these surfaces with unnecessary items. Instead, opt for minimalist decor or functional storage solutions to keep things tidy and visually open. 10. Side tables. When it comes to side tables, keeping them clutter-free can significantly contribute to the overall spaciousness of your room. Opt for sleek and minimalist designs that offer storage solutions, such as drawers or shelves, to help keep essentials organized and out of sight. Consider using decorative trays to corral smaller items like remotes or coasters, maintaining a clean and tidy surface. By prioritizing simplicity and functionality in your side table choices, you'll not only maximize space, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living area. What's your favorite organization tip for maximizing space in small living areas? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments